In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of how to finish the signature someone made for you. Let's get started. You will receive an email with a request to insert the signature. Open it. Click on the Go to My Signature button. The first thing you need to do is to check the information already entered and fill in the fields that were left empty. On the right side, you can check your signature preview. Once you're done, click the Save button. Your signature is ready to be inserted to your email client. To do so, choose your email client from the icons and follow the instructions. If you have any further questions, leave us a comment below. For more tips like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow AdSigner on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.